Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making the mesh usable. Import your model and make sure read/write is enabled in the model importer so Unity can access vertex data. Once done, add a mesh filter and assign the imported mesh, then attach a mesh collider component to the same game object. Make the convex choice early. Choose convex if the object needs rigid body collisions and better performance. Choose non-convex when accuracy for static geometry matters. This sets the scene for configuring physics and optimization next. Now you refine the collider. Assign mesh collider. Shared mesh explicitly to avoid runtime duplication and to share one mesh across instances. Make sure normals and vertex count are optimized. Remove degenerate triangles and duplicate vertices with mesh tools so collision cooking succeeds. If you need a dynamic collider, either bake a convex hull using the Mesh Collider Convex option or combine primitive colliders for complex shapes to keep physics stable. Also, toggle finish by testing in play mode and observing collisions closely. Use physics debug visualization to verify contact points and bounds. Profile the scene for CPU cost, GC spikes, and the number of active mesh colliders. Too many complex colliders kills performance. Make sure you combine static meshes into one collider where possible and mark static game objects to enable batching. If collisions behave poorly, switch problematic dynamic non-convex colliders to convex or a few primitive colliders. This single troubleshooting step fixes most runtime instability issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.